For every application, select the best connection technology for your M12 connectors for assembly. Wire solid and pre-treated conductors easily and without tools through direct insertion with push-in technology. By opening the terminal point, you can also wire fine-stranded Litz wires or release the conductor. Contact within seconds using the Quick-On insulation displacement connection. The crimp connection allows you automated processing. Universal and powerful, the classical screw connection. Use the Pierce-Con connection for high-position applications.